Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the construction of the new runway at the Sangster International Airport. So as you can see, work is far advanced. The runway is actually paved now. And there you can see some sort of tour or meeting going on over by the facility. So this runway is being built by Landgen International. It's a foreign company that builds runways all over the world. So we're giving you an update on this project. Now this runway will be commissioned or opened later this year, 2023. And it's going to, when finished or when commissioned, it will make the Sangster International Airport will have the longest runway in Jamaica at over 3,000 meters. That means it can land a lot more planes, some other larger planes. And this airport, the Sangster International Airport, is the busiest airport in Jamaica. So this is actually a very critical project for Jamaica because 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica land at this airport. 85%. So it is very important that this airport can land as many planes as possible because the planes are getting bigger, meaning they need more runway or tour space. Basically, they need a longer runway. Now, this is also the busiest airport in Jamaica. I know a lot of people might think Kingston, having the Norman Manley International Airport and having the largest population in Jamaica, would be the busiest airport, but it's not. It's this airport, the Sangster International Airport. And so that means more tourists visit Jamaica than you have Jamaicans traveling. And not only is the runway, this project, the runway, the Sangster International Runway Extension Project, is one project going on at the airport. But they're also renovating the terminals. The departure lounge, the new departure lounge just opened at the airport. A very nice facility. And they have other projects going on at the airport because, as we said, this is the busiest airport in Jamaica, but it's also the third or fourth busiest airport in the Caribbean. And in terms of the English-speaking Caribbean, this is the busiest airport. And Jamaica has rebounded very well after COVID. Its arrival numbers, or the visitors visiting the island, tourists, those numbers have gone up. Jamaica actually has over 8,000 hotel rooms under construction. Hotels are being opened all over the North Coast. And chances are, well, it's not chances, the visitors that are going to stay at those hotels are going to come in through this airport. The majority of them, over 85% of them. So it's very important that this project gets finished as quickly as possible, and it's on target for this year. As you can see, the runway practically looks finished, the actual runway. I don't remember offhand what the runway designation is for this airport, but it has a number. I'll put it in the comment section below. And they're on the right, when we go back, but the runway is up and running. The existing runway, I think it was 2,600 meters. And this is the new section that you're looking at now. Basically, this is the runway extension. And we actually have videos up of literally being on the runway. You can check that out. We got a really nice look at this runway from inside the facility. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and this runway will be opened later this year. I know for sure it's opening this year. I think they had said June or July this year, or sometime over the summer, it will be commissioned and opened, and we will be here to watch the first flight land and take off from this runway extension. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also check out that other video where we actually went inside the facility and took a tour of the runway from inside. Alright guys, have a good day.